Excuse me for a minute. Gotta get a gusher. No reason to be professional, right, guys? Anyway, where was we? Oh, yeah, that's right. We was bitching about life. Hey, guys, how you doing? You feeling good physically? Feeling good mentally? I hope you are. I hope it's a blessed day. Myself, I'm feeling pretty good. I don't have a lot of stress right now. You know why? Because I quit. I quit Garen. I know it sounds I'm not having a mental break. I'm still in reality. I still see all the obstacles in front of me, but I'm just not caring about them. The past 4 or 5 months have crushed me. It's built up so much, I have the stress up to here. So if I don't say the hell with it and quit caring, it's literally gonna make me have a nervous breakdown. So this is my way of coping. And that is just not giving a shit, just not caring. My bills are paid. Hey, lights are on. Kids are in private school. I mean, everything's good that way. We have a couple thousand for a truck. I mean, I can use that to maybe live for a month or so. Right now, I think I can just do it, because if not, I'm gonna have a nervous breakdown. And it'll be here on camera for you all to see. I mean, it'd probably be my best viewed video. At least I'll get some views out of it. This channel went from a mobile mechanic channel when I started out. I was showing you how to change your water pumps, how to put engines in, rebuild transmissions. I mean, whatever you needed, I had it for you. Everything was going good. And then you can see about 4 months ago, it started with the lawsuit. You know, and that was rocky. I spent a bunch of money on lawyers. Well, during that time, the old ex-wife thought she'd keep the kid from me. So now we're into a custody battle, right? And everybody knows I'm not gonna win that because I have a penis. I mean, I know, it's breaking news, but it's just the way it is. So then we was dealing with the asshole customers. We had all kinds of them. I mean, we fired people for trying to take advantage of us. We had people try not to pay us. We tried to put a mechanic lien on a vehicle. He wouldn't give me the vehicle. He took it to the junkyard. I mean, a lot of these people that are gonna disrespect you. You know, I spent my time in the Marines. I don't like disrespect. Listen, if you're gonna be a mobile mechanic, make sure you work in a good area and be very picky with the customers that you choose. But where I'm at, about 50% of them are assholes, crackheads, bums, people that are gonna try to rip you off, and that's all the same person. So you're trying to run a business, you're getting sued, you're fighting with your ex-wife, you're still trying to take care of the wife you have now and the child you have here, my daughter. You're still trying to raise them and give them the best life. You're out here working hard, dealing with PTSD, traumatic brain injury, everything that I deal with. I understand, look, I'm bitching. I am just complaining right now. I'm being the first mobile mechanic male Karen. I'm just bitching right now, right? Everybody has problems. And to a lot of people, my problems ain't shit. But you know what? I don't care about yours right now. This is me. This is how I'm feeling. You can make a video and tell me how you're feeling. But this is my video, so I'm gonna bitch about it. Then the vehicle breaks down, crushes me, right? Puts a stop to my job right then. Now this has been about a month, 4 weeks, I think, something like that, 4 or 5 weeks. Well, that's crushing, because as a mobile mechanic, you're making all that money every single day. You have cash in your hand. And once you're used to that, it's hard when it gets cut off just like that. You lose all that money and you're not prepared for it. And I'm not prepared, like I said in my last video. It is very, very hard to transition from military to civilian. A lot of service members do it great. They have great careers after the military. Let me tell you, there's a lot that don't. Remember, 22 veterans a day. I can't even say it on YouTube because I'll get demonetized, but you know what I mean. So we know there's a lot struggling. Think about this. I have lost more Marines since we've been back in the US than I did during all my deployments combined. So you know there's a problem. So that shows how hard it is to transition. So that's a battle every day. So it ain't just 1 or 2 problems, it's all these issues continuing to pile up and up and up. And it's very hard to deal with. And I'm trying to fight it. I'm trying to get up every day and find a solution. Like I said, thanks to the people that donated. You guys are a godsend. Without you, who knows where I'd be without you guys. We got $2,000. Well, we got $1,900. We had $2,000. See, we've already had to take $100 out of it to live off. So every day that goes by, that money is going to be dwindling. And that is the only thing we got to put down for this truck. So look and listen to me. If anybody, I don't care where you are, in any part of the United States, if you have a truck or a van or even an SUV at this point for sale, please message me. I have my email, my text message, everything's down in the video description. please, please, please message me. I'm not asking for a free vehicle or nothing like that. I'm asking if you're selling your vehicle, just let me have the first shot at it. That's all. That's all. I've already reached out to the VA. I've looked at the Semper Fi Fund. These are programs that can help you out when you're in a financial crisis, right? Well, guess what? We've got no help so far, okay? There's a big line to get some of this stuff. So it ain't like I was just laying in bed, just not trying. I've been trying every day. We found this truck we thought we had. We went in there. I acted like a rookie and I opened my mouth too much and they took advantage of me. They tried to hammer me. They tried to get $5,500 out of me. I'm telling you a bunch of private shit right now. I've told you my credit score. We was declined at our bank. Shit, that's embarrassing, but I don't care. This is my channel. I'll say whatever I want on it. If people don't like this or think I shouldn't be saying this stuff, then move on, okay? But the ones that want to hear this and that support me, that's why I open to you guys. You guys are very supportive. Look, we have been declined by our bank for a car loan. So our only option right now is to pay cash. We have $1,900. Now I've been asking for donations if you want to help the channel. And I put up my Cash App and my Venmo. In the video description, I have the Cash App, Venmo, and PayPal. A lot of people like using PayPal. It's down in the video description underneath the video. But I have no pride left. I am fighting for my life at this point. We are trying to get back on track so we can give you the videos that you subscribe to my channel for, the mobile mechanic video. You didn't subscribe just to see me bumming for money and showing my life. I mean, I like to show my kids and wife and what we're doing, that's fine. But we got to get out of this rut, right? We can only tell them so many stories. We got to get back to work. I have 2,300 subscribers. If every subscriber donated $1, right? $1 each, we'd have $2,300 more. So we'd be up to $4,300, right? Now, if you know anything about vehicle prices, you know that's still not enough. We have to get somewhere between maybe $6,000 to $8,000 to find something halfway dependable. I do not expect you guys to donate $5,000. No, not at all. I'm just asking if you have it and you want to help this channel, you want to help me, if you want to help my family, then please donate. But I hate having my channel where I'm like bumming and asking you for stuff. I started being a mobile mechanic because it helped mentally. It gave me something to do, to keep my mind off other things. People don't understand. If you haven't been there, if you haven't witnessed somebody, can't even say it here. But trust me, the things that you see, the survivor's guilt, the night terrors, what it is it's struggling. It's very hard to deal with. All that shit, that is real life. So I am trying my hardest. That is why I have to put my pride aside and ask, hey, if you want to support this channel, please do so. And a lot of my friends that I grew up with see these videos, you know how hurtful and how shameful it is that the people you grew up with, and they're looking at this video and you're supposed to be, oh, he did good. He was successful. He did this, he did that. And now I'm sitting there asking for money to help with a truck. That's pretty embarrassing, right? I don't want to make any more of these kind of videos. The story videos are great. You know, they're good, but I want to get back showing you the mobile mechanic workday. Like, hey, go with me. Let me show you these next 3 customers and what I got to do and how much I make. And this is what you got to do. People love them videos. So that's what we want to get back to. But I need your help. Look at me. I need your help. If you can help, please do. If I can't get back on the road, it's not just money helping my family. It helps me mentally, it gets me back on the right track, and it gives you the content that you subscribed for. So I just want to thank you for listening to me, bitch. Even if you don't donate any money, you've already helped. You've let me vent. I'm in my backyard. Look, you're in my backyard. Nobody's around me. I get to just sit here and bitch to you guys. This is best therapy for me right now. I love you guys. We'll get through it. Or we won't. I mean, it's our only 2 options. But we got to do it now. Like, this is the 4th quarter. We're under 2 minutes. And this is 4th and 9. Like, so we need some all-stars to step up. Like we always say, Semper Fi till next time.